Okay, so you can't go to Asheville, North Carolina without thinking of the Biltmore.
Yeah, the Biltmore is the big jewel, the big rock, as you've heard us describe it, something you're going to probably want to go to. But the thing is, we've both
been before.
Yeah. So our thing today is it worth it? Because the price from when I went last time, and that's been years ago.
Up.
It's really gone up. And then you add the other things you're going to have to go through, the walking, the lines, the crowds.
The heat today.
Oh, today, the heat is so hot. So what we want to do today is determine, is it really worth it?
Yep, we're going to take you through and let you know, give you a few tips on it, and let you make up your own mind. We'll tell you what we decided at the end of the video. I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny.
Welcome to RV America.
The original RV America.
Let's go walk through America's largest house, mansion, castle.
Winding roads through Carolina, hills of green. Gates swing wide on a dream we've never seen. Stone and towers rise against July sky. Biltmore Estate, Asheville, opening its eyes. Statues stand in silence, fountains softly play. Terraced paths and roses in the golden day. Italian garden breeze, a European air. We walk the same stone steps the Vanderbilts once shared. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time. Gilded halls and gardens in their prime. Every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time.
So when you purchase your tickets online, you are choosing a time that you want to go. So pay close attention.
Entrance hall receives us, soaring wood and stone. Reception room still waiting, like it never stood alone. Winter garden glows beneath the glass roof sky. Exotic plants in sunlight, where the seasons never die. Billiard room stands ready, cues and felt and rest. Gentlemen once gathered here when evenings felt their best. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time. Gilded halls and gardens in their prime. Every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time. banquet hall of 70 feet, triple fireplace roaring high, pipe organ waiting silent under that cathedral sky. Breakfast room more intimate, artwork on the wall, hidden servant doorway, keeping secrets from us all. Tapestry gallery stretches long with Flemish threads of gold, 16th century stories in every fold we hold. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time, gilded halls and gardens in their prime, every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time. Music room once sheltered art when war was at the door. National Gallery treasures found a safe and quiet shore. Library of two tall stories, thousands of bound spines, Pellegrini ceiling painting still in perfect lines. Main hall and the grand staircase, cantilevered flight, bronze chandelier hanging like a captured star of light. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time, we're walking through a century, one step at a time. Mr. Vanderbilt's bedchamber, study close at hand, where plans and quiet evenings shape this mountain land. Second floor living hall, a place to pause and meet. Guest bedrooms and suites still waiting to help with sleep. Oak sitting room in Dillard, Robbie a room so fine, rooms that held the travelers through another time. Standing tall through time, gilded halls and gardens in their prime, every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time. Mrs. Vanderbilt's bedroom, sitting room nearby, grace and careful beauty under softer light. Staff bedrooms restored now, simple beds and chairs. Halloween room still whispers with its painted walls of night. Guests in the 20s left their whimsy and their fright. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time. Gilded halls and gardens in their prime. Every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time. Main kitchen pastries baked and rotisserie flamed. Air advanced machines that forever changed the game. Indoor swimming pool of 70,000 gallons deep. Underwater lights still glowing where the water used to sleep. Bowling alley and gymnasium, original weights and lane. Echoes of the laughter that will never sound the same. Oh, Biltmore, standing tall through time. Gilded halls and gardens in their prime. Every room a story, every view a sign. We're walking through a century, one step at a time. We step back into daylight, mountains all around. Carry every room, every garden, every sound. Biltmore stays behind us, but it's forever in our mind. One more look, then onward, leaving time behind. Leaving time behind.
Okay, so we made it through,
Yeah.
completed our tour.
Took a little over an hour, maybe an hour and 10 minutes or so.
We're tired.
I think it was the heat that we talked about in the
Yeah.
opening, and that's one of the first things we'd probably say to you is that if it's in the summer, and really check the forecast of the temperature, because it was warm out in the gardens before we got in. We came early enough to go through the gardens, but it was hot, and everybody out there seemed like they were going out and turning around because it was so hot.
Yeah, it was really hot in the gardens.
So check.
Don't do
that
those
temperature.
on a hot day. I will say that. Don't
Yeah.
do those on a hot day.
Another thing I noticed is that now the lines are nowhere. It's 12:30ish, and the lines are not out there. So people probably do not go see this during the heat of the day, even though they had fans inside. It was hot in a few spots.
Yeah,
So
it was. It was warm on the inside. I don't know that they have air conditioning.
no, I don't know if they did or not.
I don't know that I would want to be here when it was 100 degrees outside.
Yeah, so there, I would probably pick my time in the day, in the morning, and do that several days out, because you want to make sure you can get those, because when we first looked at it, a lot of time was filled up. We couldn't get in here till about 11:15.
Yeah. And that brings up, buy your tickets online. If you get them online, you'll get a discount.
Yeah.
We got ours for $95 a
Plus
piece,
taxes and
plus
such.
taxes and fees. You know, they always stick those on there. So that
Yeah.
was You know, better
Yeah.
than getting them at the gate, which
When I
was
look-
130.
Yeah, and I don't know if every day is 130 or if it's busier days, weekends, or whatever the case may be. But I was pleasantly surprised when it was $95 online. I was told that you can save about $10 online when you go when you get your tickets online. So it's definitely get them online so you can save money.
Yep.
And then, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Another thing about getting tickets online, if you're a senior over 65, you can get your tickets for $18 off, so you can even save more there.
Yeah, also, I would pick my time of year if we were coming back, and I could.
You did say this while we were walking around?
I said this as we were walking around. The flowers are not as pretty right now. Today is June the 22nd, and you know, the spring flowers have gone, the fall flowers, of course. We're just in the heat of the summer.
You can tell the heat's really hitting the flowers.
Yeah, it has really hurt the flowers. There's some blooming, but there's not like, I think the last time I was here, it must have been in the springtime or the fall, because there were just gazooks, lots and lots and lots of flowers blooming everywhere, and that's not the case this time. Okay, so all that being said, was it worth it? Yes, it is worth it one time. Now, this was our second time going, but I will say that the first time we were here, it was...
She was here.
I was here was like, hello. The first time I was here was something like 23 years ago.
And mine was probably over 30. Not that I'm that old.
Yeah. Let me tell you, nothing has changed here. Nothing has changed here. Nothing ever changes in the Biltmore. They want to keep it exactly as it was before. So if you've been here once, we just happened to be in the area, we would not have made a special trip just to go to the Biltmore, but since we were in the area anyways, we wanted to do it again. We had never done it together.
Yeah, we never did it together.
That being said, it was probably our last time we'll ever go.
Yeah, we were glad we got it for the price we got it for. Kind of got it, 'cause it was still expensive. But so I'm glad we went, and I would tell you to go once. And if you live in the area, it's kind of like the things in Nashville. They'll have different festivals and different lights throughout the year. So if you're local and you want to buy a season pass, that's probably saves you a lot of money,
yeah.
and you can come out and see some of these other events.
Yeah.
But we're glad we went, but we would tell you to go, but I wouldn't go more than one time.
Yeah, although we did,
Yeah.
but it was a long, long, long time
Yeah.
in between, and we weren't together the last time we went.
Yeah.
So until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.